A tech startup wants to reconstruct the construction industry with the new bulldozer. It's quiet and it doesn't need a driver. Our business and tech reporter Scott Budman joins us here. Okay, this is the kind of story you see only in the Bay Area. A bulldozer with no driver.
Yeah, it's true, Jessica. This is the place to see electric things and autonomous cars. It all starts and gets shown off here. But a bulldozer that runs on electricity and can drive itself would, if this ever actually gets to market, likely change how much construction jobs cost, but could also in the process cost jobs. It's a startup that wants to make the earth move, literally. Lumina came to San Francisco to show off its 40-ton electric autonomous bulldozer. It's a prototype now.
So we built one from scratch.
With no gas or driver needed. They call it excavation as a service, and the goal is to eventually get the work done for less.
Electrifying fleets of construction equipment have the capacity to double the profits of these businesses. And then when you layer on autonomy on top of it, you can triple the profits of a lot of excavation projects.
But the Bay Area has a mixed relationship with autonomous driving, largely positive with Google-owned Waymo, but Cruise is no longer on the roads here. And a 40-ton bulldozer?
This is an example where the downside is very bad.
Not to mention potential job losses among drivers.
Once it does get automated, and those jobs can be done in an automated fashion, then yeah, those jobs will go away. And that's millions and millions of people.
And that is a concern we heard echoed earlier today by Teamsters as well. Lumina says its goal is to unveil the bulldozer late next year, then a 100-ton excavator. As of right now, there is some testing of EV trucks of a certain size on the roads in California. Other testing is being proposed. Back to you guys.
Only in the Bay Area, and this will just keep happening with various technologies. Thank you, Scott.